Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 21. If the density of a saturated solution of salt G is 1.12 gram per centimeter cube, calculate its solubility in mole per dm cube. Now, given that the relative molecular mass of G is equal to 58.5, A we have 18.62, B 19.15, C 21.38, D 52.23, and E 65.52. Now we're asked to calculate the solubility of this saturated solution of salt in mole per dm cube, and we're given that solubility is equals to the given mass all over the molar mass multiplied by the given volume 1000, which is the standard volume, all over the given volume. Let's call it volume, let's call it V. But now the question says that the density of this salt density is equal to 1.12 gram per cm cube. Now this is the density of the salt. Now, and like we know, density is given as mass all over volume. Now from this expression here of solubility given as mass all over molar mass times 1000 over volume, from here we can say solubility S is equals to 1000 times mass all over molar mass times volume. And from here you see that this mass over volume is already given to us as our density, because density is mass over volume, and we're already given the density, which is mass over volume. So simply we'll say solubility S is equals to 1000 all over molar mass of this salt multiplied by its density, which is mass over volume, and that is 1.12. So from here we have that solubility S is equals to 1000 all over the molar mass, which is 58.5, then multiplied by 1.12, which is the mass over volume, which is given to us as our density. And with this, when we carry out this arithmetic, that's 1000 all over 58.5 multiplied by 1.12, we're going to be having 19.145, which is approximately 19.15. So this is the solubility of this saturated solution of salt G in mole per dm cube. So the answer is 19.15 approximately, and that is option B, 19.15. So this is the solubility of this saturated salt. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.